Okay, here we are, guys. Yeah, this was my first one. This is my favorite one. My little demon monster. I just love this setup. Probably gonna wear it like this. Hi. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd just show you the bag of the day and the Labubu of the day. Is this not a nice autumnal outfit? Okay guys, so here we get a first look at the juggling clown. I definitely want this one from this collection. I'm not a fan of most of the other ones. I mean, they are very detailed and that is quite nice, but I think, however, the only one I would want is the rainbow jelly bean. Look how cute it is, oh my god. I love this one. Faye is actually a big fan of this ID as well. I mean, I love that the mollies, like, they have these tiny little socks on. It's, like I said, really, really detailed, but the only one I really want, of course, is the Labubu. Wow, that looks amazing again. Bon appetit. And our main. We had the best dinner. I really loved it, right? And what did we get?
2 extra creepy things.
We're gonna unbox them tomorrow. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So it's Halloween, my favorite time of the year. I love dressing up, and what better time than to unbox the new Why So Serious collection from POPMART. I really want the Labubu, so fingers crossed. I really want to show you guys my updated Labubu collection because I want to claim the award for the most fashionable Labubus out there. I'm gonna do a tag video. If any of you have a Labubu collection, please do this tag and we're gonna see who wins the award for the most fashionable Labubus out there. I think that's quite funny. So I'm gonna tag anybody who has a YouTube channel, anybody who has Labubus. Have fun, guys. I'm so excited. I was in POPMART a couple days ago and they had the entire boxes and I had a look at them, like you saw it in the beginning of the video. I had the chance to buy the whole box. I was like, I'm not going to do this. I only want 2 characters, like excluding the secrets. I only want 2 characters. I'm not gonna buy the whole box of 8. That is a waste of money and, you know, over-consumerism at this point if I don't want the other characters. Of course, I always like gifting stuff away, but I still have so many doubles that I have to gift away. So I walked away. However, the next day, my husband and I went into Central and we walked around Selfridges and, well, they were refilling the POPMART machines. And 2 girls in front of us got 2 mollies. So I was like, oh wait, now I don't have a 2 in 8 chance, now I have a 2 in 6 chance to get the characters I want. So I was like, okay, let's use this opportunity and get 2, you know, boxes. And here we are, guys. I am so excited to have a look at what we've got here. Please, everybody, keep your fingers crossed right now. So I would say, let's do this. I'm gonna, you know, stick to these 2 boxes. I'm not gonna buy any more. So it is what it is. God, okay, let's try not to see. Still so heavy what's in there. Let's check that in a moment. Okay, this is the new drawstring bag. I love it. You can just keep them and keep your, you know, POPMARTs dust protected. Dust protected. Okay, pinch me. Like, her makeup and my makeup go really well today, wouldn't you say? And guys, by the way, it is super gloomy, super grey and grey again today. I have so many lights already on me and I still can't get it brighter. So, you know, I hope you see enough. Juggling clown, I think that's what it's called. Let's have a look. So, there's this. This is like the biggest pack of, you know, and we got this. Actually, it says Labubu on here. On the back it says, Why So Serious? And ta-ta-ta-ta. I'm happy with whatever's in the other box. Yeah, that's that. And the next box, are you ready, guys? Okay, so the secret clown. I really want the moonlit mask Labubu clown, but you know, It looks so cool, and it has like lots of gold and silver and metallic like fabrics. I love that one. Oh, okay. I don't know. Wait. Oh! That is the secret! That's not the secret Labubu, that's the secret jelly, no, not rainbow jelly bean, the secret twinkle twinkle. Oh my god! I really wanted to have the regular twinkle twinkle. This is the secret one. Oh my god! Hello! Look at him! Okay, I don't know if do I love this? I think I love this. It's quite acidic, lemon green, toxic green. But you are cute, and the details on these guys. So it has like stars. Oh my god, look at this. It has like so many little details everywhere. Buttons. Love the bow, love the colors. Look at the face. Oh my god, you're gonna be my favorite. I never had a twinkle twinkle. This is the first one. I think they only made them now, recently, with the vinyl faces. And it's so chubby. I really, really love it. And it's like, it has like rice or something in it. Oh my god. How freaking adorable is this? I'm in love. Okay guys, are you ready? I got all my Labubus here. Let's start with the macarons. The macarons are still my absolute favorite series, and I think that will never change. So, hello! This is my secret macaron, chestnut cocoa, and I just absolutely adore this little outfit, the black and white dress, and it is so detailed, so gorgeous. It has little pearls here. Absolutely incredible. Next up, probably my favorite Labubu in my entire collection, guys. This is my Mokoko. This is a China exclusive Labubu, obviously. And we got this gorgeous pink dress on her, again with the pearls. And I just think it's so super cute. Then next up, guys, Lychee Berry in this Chanel-esque tweed outfit. I love all the details, and they are so soft. The macarons had the absolute best fur. And the next one, guys, again, very, very Chanel-esque. And guys, how cute is this? Again, just look at the details. We have little crystals there, pearls. Absolutely hilarious. A little bit different, but we love the special ones, no? A little bit different than the other fashionable Labubus, but hey, she's got her own style, you know. So this little outfit, I just think is absolutely, you know, it looks like a Christmas elf, and it has little shoes, and there's little pearls on the shoes even, and I just love all the different fabrics that they use to make these. So she's special. And one of my favorite guys, soy milk. You guys know I have my soy milk downstairs that I have on all my bags that I take with me, you know, whenever we travel. This is my stay-at-home soy milk. Again, the cutest dress, the cutest hat. And yeah, this was one of my surprise favorites, Toffee, because this is like the fluffiest one of all my macarons. Really, really chunky. I just love her so much. She barely fitted into this dress. But again, super, super cute. This one I count as macaron as well. This was the full and white. And yeah, I took the outfit off and put this blue cute little outfit on. Okay guys, my first ever Labubu was this one. By the way, most of my Labubus, they still have they are from the earlier drops. They still have the beautiful fabric tags, not the cheap paper tags that they use nowadays. But yeah, even this one still has the fabric tag. Super cool. And yeah, this was my first one. This started the love. And I put this little lace thing on her, and she's just so cute. One of my more special ones, my Labubu. This is a Singapore exclusive, and it has like, it looks like fish tails, the fur, really cool, and has the little pearl here. It came with this pearl, but I put this on top of her again just to make her a little bit more unique. Pink and purple are my favorite colors, so I took the golden dress off. I didn't even think that the golden dress was intricate enough, so I put her into this little outfit. Super cute. And then one of my Coca-Cola Labubus, as we can see. And I thought, yeah, red is definitely her color. So this is her little dress. This, guys, is the Checkmate from the Valentine's collection. And, you know, cute with the little plush heart and the crown. And I put this additional bow on her. Now the Have a Seat collection. They are just hilarious and so cute as well. And again, the beautiful fabric tags that we do not get to see anymore nowadays. But yeah, this is my little demon monster. I still think she's the best with the red eyes and the heart in the eyes. And I put her into this little dress. And then we have the same kind of dress for this cutie pie. I matched the colors. You know, the sleeping one is so cute as well. Oh god, just look at it. With a little bow there. White and white for the Coca-Cola one. Super adorable as well. And yeah, guys, I've never done a tag video, so this is my first tag ever. I really want to see all your Labubus dressed up for Halloween now. How exciting is this? How about this? Again, a little bit Chanel-esque. Same outfit, just in dark blue. You can see the gold there a little bit better. And guys, my mini Labubus. These four are the ones I got. I don't have outfits for them. However, I've seen there are outfits for the mini Labubus out there. But I just love these colors. They are so, so cute. Okay, guys. So the other ones that I've got. If you have seen my short where I was looking for a dress for this one, it was such a fun task. Definitely go check out my shorts. So yeah, this is my only big Labubu. Well, Zimomo. This is a Zimomo, of course. And I just think it's hilarious. And it fits perfectly, to be honest. And then, of course, we have these, the Big Into Energy series. And I got all of them, all 7, even the secret. I was super lucky. I just love this setup with the flowers, you know. And yeah, so we got all the colors. You might not be able to see them properly. I don't want to get them out. It was so difficult to get them all in there. But here's the secret. Super cute, you know. I love them all. It was a Chinese luxury newspaper actually interviewing me about my Labubu collection recently. Any comments?
It's a bit like Saruman and building an army.
Okay, guys, so that was mostly it. I just wanted to show you again, this is my favorite autumn look. Can't wait to wear this more outside. Probably gonna wear it like this. Hi. But also, guys, the new clown, just perfect for Halloween, I think would look great on this bag too. Plus, what I just noticed, guys, the new ones have fabric tags again. After all those shitty paper tags they gave us. I think, guys, this might be my new bag charm. I think I want to dress him up a little bit. Maybe individualize it a little bit more even. So I put the little bow on top and this little bracelet. Can we see? Little mother of pearl bracelet. See, my Labubu is wearing a little mother of pearl necklace as well. Okay, guys. Is this cute or what? Let me come a little bit closer. Ay. I love it. I love it, guys. What can I tell you? I'm a kid at heart. I think that's a good characteristic, especially in today's world. And guys, I know we still have to film my birthday haul unboxing soon. This is one of the My Teresa packages that has arrived. I haven't unboxed it yet. Love this. We still have to do a house tour as well, of course. Yeah. I really hope we got all of this done soon. Okay, if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed, POPMART obsessed family here, because we all clearly do have the same luxury disease. Okay guys, I see you again very, very soon. Bye. Happy Halloween.